Hi, lovely people. Okay, today I bring mathematics tricks for you. This is not a math trick, this is math Olympiad question, but I'm going to show you step by step on how to solve this type of question because when this is given to you, you will be asked not to use your calculator. Now let's start in essence. Let's start immediately. Whenever you see this type of thing, the first thing you need to check is the one with the lower power. Now, the one with the lower power is 999, right? Okay, so we are going to express 1000 in terms of 999. So that is the first thing that we are going to do. So let's go. So we have 5 to the power of, now 1000 in terms of 999 is going to be 999 plus 1, right? Minus 5 to the power of 999. Okay, now this is equal to, so when you have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. All right. Therefore, we can rewrite this as 5 to the power of 999 multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 minus 5 to the power of 999. Okay. Okay, now we are going to factorize. Since they have 5 to the power of 999 in common, we are going to factorize. So we go ahead and do that. So we write 5 to the power of 999. We open our bracket. When this is divided by this, we are going to get 5 to the power of 1 minus. When this is divided by this, we will have what? 1. All right. So this is 5 to the power of 999 bracket 5 minus 1. Since 5 to the power of 1 is still 5. So we have 5 to the power of 999 bracket 5 minus 1 will give us 4. Okay. So this is equal to 5 to the power of 999 bracket. We can simplify this as 2 squared. Now, that is it for this. What if you are asked to solve 2 to the power of 100 minus 2 to the power of 99? We are going to also use the same trick. Okay, watch to the end. I'm going to give you what to solve yourself. All right, now we have that 2 to the power of, now the lower one is 99, right? So we are going to express 100 in terms of 99. Now to express 100 in terms of 99, we are going to have 99 plus 1, right? Then minus 2 to the power of 99. Yes, as easy as that. So we are going to factorize. Oh, before that, we are going to make use of this, that a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. All right. Therefore, we can rewrite this as 2 to the power of 99 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1 minus 2 to the power of 99. Okay, now we are going to factorize. So we factorize 2 to the power of 99. So when we do that, 2 to the power of 99, we open our brackets. When this is divided by this, 2 to the power of 1 is remaining. So we have 2 to the power of 1 minus, when this is divided by this, we have 1 remaining. All right. So this is 2 to the power of 99 bracket 2 minus 1. So this is the same thing as 2 to the power of 99, right? Okay, now what if you have this? This one is different. This is different. So just wait and see it. Now, the third question is different. We are asked to solve 2 to the power of 100 minus 2 to the power of 98 minus 2 to the power of 97 is equal to 0. Now, look, when you have this thing, you are going to shake the same thing. The one with the lowest power is 2 to the power of 97. So we are going to manipulate others in terms of 97, okay? So we have 2 to the power of, now 100 minus 97 will give us 3. So it means that 97 plus 3 will give us 100, okay? So we have 97 plus 3 minus 2 to the power of, now 98 is the same thing as 97 plus 1, all right? Minus 2 to the power of 97 is equal to 0. Okay, so we are going to express them the normal way. So we can write this as what? 2 to the power of 97 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 97 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1 minus 2 to the power of 97 is equal to 0. Okay, now they have 2 to the power of 97 in common. So recall that I'm going to give us what to solve. So stay put and pick the assignment. All right. Now, when this, let me put brackets so that we don't confuse ourselves. Okay. So when this is divided by this, we have 2 to the power of 3 remaining, right? So we have 2 to the power of 3 minus, when this is divided by this, we have just 2 to the power of 1 remaining minus, when this is divided by this, we have 1 is equal to 0. So we have 2 to the power of 97 brackets. Now 2 to the power of 3 is 8 minus 2 to the power of 1 is 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so we have 2 to the power of 97 brackets. 8 minus 2 will give us 6, and 6 minus 1 will give us 5 is equal to 0. Oh, yeah, is equal to 0. This one is equal to 0. I don't know where the 0 is coming from. It's not equal to 0. I think this is a mistake. There is nothing like equal to. We are asked to simplify this. All right. So, and that is exactly what we are doing. Sorry about that. Just simplify. This is equal to what? I'm sorry about that. So this should be the final solution after simplifying. Okay. All right. Now let's do assignments. So for assignment, now we have, you are asked to solve, not solve, evaluate or simplify 3 to the power of 100 minus 3 to the power of 99. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and give us a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed this video, and click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell as well if this is the first time you are seeing our videos. Bye.